Only 1% can solve this. How many players are on a football team on the field? (11) What do players try to score? Goals. What shape is a football? Round. What is the color of a yellow card? Yellow. What starts the match? Kickoff. What is a match official called? Referee. What do goalkeepers wear? Gloves. What do players mainly use to kick? Legs. What is the break called between halves? Halftime. What is a player called who scores goals? Striker. How long is a normal match? (90 minutes). What is the name of the world's biggest football event? FIFA World Cup. What is awarded for a foul inside the box? Penalty. What is the small net area called? Goal. What happens after the ball crosses the sideline? Throw-in. What is it called when a player uses his head? Header. What is the job of a defender? Protect goal. What color is the red card? Red. What happens when a player is offside? Free kick. What is a hat trick? 3 goals. What do players wear on feet? Boots. Which country invented football? England. How many points is a goal worth? One. What is given after the ball crosses end line off attacker? Goal kick. Who can use hands legally? Goalkeeper. What is used to stop play? Whistle. Which part cannot be used by players? Hands. What is given after a foul? Free kick. What is the center of the field called? Midfield. What is the long pass in air called? Lob. What is awarded for handball? Free kick. Where does the goalkeeper stand? Penalty area. Which item is not used in football? Bat. What surface is football usually played on? Grass. What is the trophy for World Cup called? World Cup trophy. What is a match between two countries called? International. What is it called when a match ends same score? Draw. What is the role of a coach? Train players. What is used when ball goes out on goal line by defender? Corner. What is the ball made of? Leather. Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.